right, heading out. Day 2 of Hillsboro trip. Something like 20 bikes this morning. Should be an epic day. 280 miles planned out, ready to roll. Here in Rockbridge. It's like a little city park, maybe a county park. Rolling out of Pierre County Park, I see on the map, but it's actually the Rock Bridge is what we were here for. Really cool spot. The river or creek here flows right underneath the shale ridge, if you will. Yeah, this is an excellent stop. I think everybody enjoyed that. There's quintessential Wisconsin, a idyllic little setting next to a stream, beautiful valley. Well, made it far enough south to find the Wisconsin River. Next stop, Boscobel for a little gas. Crossing the Wisconsin River into Boscobel. Crossing back into Crawford County, across the Wisconsin River. Head west a little bit. Work our way through the hills to Ferryville for some lunch. We're running a revised route now. Road construction. Wisconsin's fourth season got in the way of our route a couple times. Always interesting. But it's all riding, having a good time. Oh, this is a nice grade. This has got to be 10-12 degrees. Dropping in. Linksville. Well, we found the big river. Mighty Mississippi. Alright, we made it to Ferryville. Time to get some grub. Up a nice lunch at Big Swedes. Back on the road. Get up off the river road and back into the curves here on County B. Kind of a nice rolling, twisting section here on B.